Hi everybody, I'm Valerie. So I'm just starting up my YouTube channel, kind of figuring out what I want to put on here. Um, but I'm thinking of putting kind of my weight loss journey, my goal of losing weight, um, and working towards weight loss surgery this year. I have been going through the process. I've already started the process of it, but I think it might be able to help some other people hearing what my process is and the sort of appointments that I go through um, to work towards getting weight loss surgery. And um, there's my cat. All the different things that other people might be going through as well. So, really talking about my experience, I think, would help a lot of people. And, various other random videos along the way. So, things like what have I been cooking to help me meet my weight loss goals and to help prepare for potential surgery. So if any of you guys have any suggestions, questions, anything like that, feel free to reach out and ask. I'd love feedback. And if you guys have any opinions on anything or anything like that, let me know.